What is file versioning?
Versioning is a feature in many software programs and cloud services that saves multiple copies or versions of your files each time you make changes. This allows you to go back and access previous versions if you accidentally delete, overwrite, or corrupt a file. Versioning helps protect your important documents from mistakes and unexpected problems.
Why use versioning for recovery?
If you accidentally delete data, or if a file becomes corrupted, versioning provides a safety net. Earlier versions of the file are still stored, so you can easily retrieve a healthy copy. This greatly reduces the risk of permanent data loss, giving you peace of mind whether you're working on personal documents or important projects.
How to access previous versions?
To recover a previous version, open the Files options in your software or cloud service. Look for features like version history, file history, or restore previous versions. These tools let you browse through saved versions, preview their contents, and restore the one you need with just a few clicks.
Popular tools with versioning features.
Cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive all offer file versioning. Desktop operating systems like Windows and Mac OS have built-in options as well. For example, Windows has File History and Macs have Time Machine. Many collaboration apps, such as Microsoft Office and Google Docs, also support version recovery.
Best practices for versioning.
Regularly check your versioning settings to make sure files are being backed up. Know how long your tool keeps old versions. Some may delete them after a set period. Always test the recovery process with a sample file, so you're prepared if you need to use it. Versioning is a powerful safeguard when you use it wisely.